Jelly.
Vlog number 5. Finale.
Baby. Hey guys! It's your boy Ton,
It's your girl Jelly.
and welcome to vlog number
Number
5. It's our last week, Jelly. I'm getting emotional. How about you?
Oh my gosh, it's our last vlog.
So what we're gonna do this week is we're gonna finish up the rest of the pots. Jelly, what are those pots?
So it's the plastic and plastic combination, the glass and terracotta combination, as well as the plastic and
Terracotta. So
combination.
terracotta and plastic on the outside. And for the glass terracotta, we'll be redoing that from last week for more accurate results. So stay tuned for that, guys. And lastly, we'll be having our
Verdict.
So what is the best one? Should we spoil them? No. You wait till the end of the video. So stay tuned for that, guys. And let's start on the vlog. Hey guys, so we're gonna start off with what we couldn't do last week, which is the terracotta and plastic pot. So I couldn't find a plastic bucket or a plastic pot that was wider than the terracotta pot that we already purchased. But according to our research, the height of the outer pot doesn't really matter that much, so it doesn't have to be the same height, the inner pot and the outer pot. So that's why we'll be using one of these, which you can purchase for around 250 pesos, and we'll be using our terracotta pot for the inside. So let's start right now. So if you watched week 3's video, you would notice that the first step with any terracotta pot is to cover the holes. So what I did was I covered them with heavy duty tape, both on the outside and on the insides as well. Plastic terracotta pot. So I filled the soil to around this part, and after this we'll be wetting the cloth and we'll be testing this out tomorrow. So here's another look at it.
Hey guys, it's Jelly and welcome to week number 5 of Ton and Jelly Vlogs. And this week, I will be in charge of the plastic and plastic combination as well as the terracotta and glass combination. So, let's go! So here are the materials for the terracotta and glass combination. So we have our large terracotta pot, our soil, our glass, our cloth, our covers, and our 1 liter water. glass pot inside the terracotta pot. As you can see, it's really small, the glass pot inside the terracotta pot, and we just have to fill it up with soil up to here. So this is the finished product of the terracotta and glass combination. So here are the materials for the plastic and plastic combination. So we have our soil, our cloth cover, our plastic cover, our medium-sized plastic bucket, and our small-sized plastic bucket. And that's my cat pal. So let's now add the soil here in the back. This is what the plastic and plastic combination looks like. Now let's add water.